If you're looking for the best argan oil shampoos, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Maple Holistic's Argan Oil Special Formula Shampoo. Are you looking for a shampoo that can bring your dull and limp hair back to life? Then, this product might interest you. Maple Holistic's Argan Oil Shampoo is formulated to revive and restore dry and damaged hair. It contains natural botanicals like argan oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, keratin, peach kernel oil, and camellia seed oil. These ingredients replenish your hair from within. It also strengthens your hair with its fatty acids and antioxidants. Gorgeous hair is guaranteed with the very first wash. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Herbal Essences Bio Renew Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. As the name suggests, Herbal Essences Argan Oil Shampoo is filled with the goodness of nature, such as aloe vera, sea kelp, and antioxidants. It promises to bring your hair back to life within 21 days. Ideal for dry, limp, and damaged hair. This shampoo claims to hydrate dry strands by locking in moisture. You can see noticeable changes in the texture of your hair as it minimizes breakage and promotes soft and silky hair. The number 3 position is held by UGG Xhydrate and the Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Strength Shampoo. UGG Argan Oil Shampoo is a total game changer if you are suffering from damaged hair. This creamy formula is made with silk proteins and argan oil that leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and luscious. It claims to nourish your locks and provide strength to your hair follicles. It is the perfect solution to revive and hydrate dry hair. It locks in the moisture and creates perfect strands. This shampoo promises to give you salon-like hair within a couple of washes. Next at number 4, we have St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Shampoo. The Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo from St. Botanica nourishes your hair with the natural conditioning properties or argan oil. It makes the hair shaft stronger, promotes hair growth, cleanses the scalp, and provides protection against UV rays. The formula contains all natural ingredients like vitamin E, argan oil, and essential fatty acids that keep the hair hydrated while repairing the damage. The number 5 position is held by Avalon Organics Argan Oil Damage Control Shampoo. If you are looking for a product that can repair dry and limp hair, this shampoo is the go-to product for you. It is formulated with organic ingredients like argan oil, jojoba oil, calendula extracts, and quinoa proteins. These ingredients nourish the hair shafts and lock in moisture to give radiant shine to your hair. It curbs signs of aging like dry and brittle hair. Besides softening, it also protects your hair from UV rays and other environmental pollutants. It promises to leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. The number 6 position is dominated by Majestic Pure Argan Oil Shampoo, a perfect shampoo that provides a holistic healing experience with its natural ingredients. Majestic Pure Argan Oil Shampoo is a unique blend of 100% natural ingredients. It contains argan oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. It claims to soothe the dry and irritated areas on your scalp. It also has therapeutic properties, thanks to its regenerative and nourishing antioxidants. This hair care product promises to leave your hair frizz-free and damage-free. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Baebody Beauty Argan Oil Shampoo. Looking for a shampoo that contains natural ingredients? Baebody Beauty Argan Oil Shampoo is the one for you. With a unique blend of ingredients like almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, camellia seed oil, and botanical keratins, the shampoo promises to restore shine to your locks. Its combination of argan oil and vitamin E leaves your hair feeling soft, silky, and luscious. The number 8 position is held by Sebastian Professional Dark Oil Shampoo. Sebastian Professional Dark Oil Shampoo is formulated with its special blend of jojoba and argan oil. It is a lightweight shampoo that cleanses the hair while adding body and shine without weighing them down. The shampoo leaves your hair smooth, soft, and detangled for easy manageability. It is suitable for all hair types. Next at number 9, we have LuxeOrganix Rejuvenating Argan Oil Shampoo. Want to fight frizzy and dry hair? LuxeOrganix Rejuvenating Argan Oil Shampoo is here to your rescue. This shampoo softens and moisturizes your hair without any harsh chemicals. It is an ideal shampoo, especially for those with dry, brittle, and curly hair. It prevents breakage and scalp infections. The argan oil in this shampoo is absorbed by your scalp and hair strands, which helps in improving the overall condition of your locks. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Agadir Argan Oil Daily Moisturizing Shampoo. Agadir Argan Oil Daily Moisturizing Shampoo has a volumizing formula with argan oil and panthenol. The gentle shampoo lathers and cleanses scalp and hair well, leaving it moisturized and conditioned. It detangles hair, makes it smooth and soft while adding shine to it. Argan oil has fatty acids that help moisturize your hair, while panthenol protects brittle hair from damage and strengthens it. Additionally, it lifts the texture of your hair by adding fullness and body to it. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.